My name is Tariq Mujib. I'm an architect and basically I'm an associate director in Arcop, and I'm working with this firm since 1993. Architecture is something, but that requires a lot of focus. So architecture is not only a design of building, it is also balancing with your lifestyle. It is also balancing, with the culture, with the society, and of course, after all, if you are a good designer, you will be known in the circle. This is a field where one can really play. First of all, art is one form. You have to blend art and narrate like a storytelling. So when you narrate architecture and link with the storytelling, then obviously you start your journey, and that is how architecture works. So it is like a combination. Facade is a very key element for any building, but facade is something that defines the language. First of all, your approach towards facade should be very passive design. It has to be sustainable. Suppose you're making a building in Delhi, so you have to study the Delhi culture. What is the culture? Then you have to bring the culture, sustainability, constructability is very important, and after all, cost. So all this, when you blend together, that is how facade. A good architect's role is that he has to convince his client, okay, boss, see, if you have 100 rupees, but by doing this much, you have to spend another 10 rupees. But that will enhance your building 100 times. The buildings are going, towards like a biophilic route. You have to be very fully aware of the latest software technologies and latest material. When we started the practice, we were on a drawing board and pencil and sketch. So we used to do by hand. Suddenly AutoCAD and different software came, gives a lot of opportunity to architects to think more. I mean, frankly speaking, we are struggling. The old generation, we are struggling, and we are quite dependent on those guys, because whatever you think in your mind, somebody has to draw. And that draw, we used to take a lot of time because we were doing by hand. Now these young kids, they are coming with all this software, and within 2 hours they will generate something, and then you start playing. There is the BIM softwares, building, information modeling. They are AR, they are VR, and 3D, Rhino. There are so many softwares. So now technology is playing a role with the manual route. So in together, the next generation will be definitely more AI oriented generations. Normally these young kids, they compare with their colleagues or friends who are into software. Suddenly they have started earning a lot, while they in our professional field, initially they will not earn that much. So that is something, if somebody is passionate, somebody is focused, then only he can be a successful architect. Well, Aludecor is I think since 2002 in the market, and since we are sitting in the market and we are one of the leading architects, so Aludecor were always in touch with us. Sustainable, cost effective, and most importantly, they have a very good technical support team. Before sale also, they have to guide us, they have to teach us. Fire retardancy is a very important factor, but Aludecor was very upward. So fire grade, one important this thing, and second, there is a very good wooden series, where they have a very good metallic series. So it's a huge range. Well, yes, Aludecor has launched a very new series, and that book, if you see, so they are basically catering the estate wise, like this is the Leh Ladakh building. So this is a very muddy kind of a structure. So they are launching this particular series, EC01. Similarly, some other cities, there's a Tuscan clay. So now the Tuscan clay building, the old building, and then the similar material. Then there is a Indus clay. So these are plenty of few which are new shades, and it's very inspiring. It's very appealing. So I am sure I am going to use this in one of the projects.